Welcome back again to another video lecture on C# programming, and in this video lecture I'll go ahead and teach you about string cases. Alright, so in C#, the ability to move from uppercase to lowercase and vice versa exists. So maybe you want your users to insert things in a lowercase and they go ahead and put that in uppercase. So it's not for you to be like, what is going on? You go ahead and convert the given data right into lowercase. I'll go ahead and show you how to do that. You can also convert that to uppercase in case you need that to be in uppercase and the bottom put that in lowercase. So the simple way to do that, I'll go ahead and teach you how to do that. Go ahead and say string. Let's say string name equal to, I'll go ahead and say this is hello. So you can see that some of these things are in uppercase and we want everything to be in lowercase. Go ahead and create another one called string name. Let's call that string name low. Alright, so that is the name of that string, okay? So string name low, and go ahead and say name dot to lower. So you can see we have called name dot to lower right there, okay? So name dot to lower and plus semicolon, okay? So go ahead and put open and close brace because this is a method. So, alright, so in that same way, you can go ahead and create, let's say, string name up, and let's call name dot to upper. Alright, name dot upper plus semicolon at the end. So anytime we call name dot lower to go ahead and put everything in lowercase. Anytime we call name up, go ahead and put everything in uppercase. Now let's go ahead and print that out using console dot write line, and we can go ahead and say the lowercase value equal to lowercase value equal to plate comma. So for lowercase value, go ahead and put that to there and plate comma, and then pass in name low right in there and place semicolon, and go ahead and copy that. Let's go ahead and do that for the uppercase as well. So copy that and paste and change this upper case value. So this uppercase value is equal to name up. Alright, so if you change everything to up, go ahead and put up. Now, go ahead and put console dot read key and put semicolon at the end. Now let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. So this lowercase value equal to this is low, everything is nice in lowercase, and then this uppercase value equal to this is hello. So consider it changes to everything to lowercase and everything to uppercase. Alright, so in that same way, you can always change values to uppercase or lowercase in C# using this method. Remember that C# is case sensitive, so you always be careful to know what you need at every particular point in time, and when you are changing to lowercase and when you are changing to uppercase, and situations to use them always come up many times in programming language. Alright? So go ahead and put it down, play around with it, and if you have any question, go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video lecture.